I'm finna get him. I'm finna get him. Huh? Damn, he can't fit through. Yeah, he got too much.
He can't even come out right now. He's still behind bars, man.
Yeah, he can't come out. He don't need to come over.
He can't even come out. Look at him shaking the bars. Like, tell him, say, let me out.
At least he back there with $100 more than he had.
Exactly. Tell him, say, let me out.
If you thought I was gonna bag up and do it over you, the goddamn.
I thought we thought you was scared. Everybody was talking about he's scared. He's scared.
I was smart.
Okay, okay.
$100 up. You do
Okay.
the red light again.
Nah.
Stop. I'm gonna roll through that bitch again.
Yeah.
What you do, Slim?
I'm finna
What
get
you
him.
do, Slim?
Slim
I'm finna get him.
This shit right here, you had to hook it and book it.
Yeah.
Hook it and book it.
Sticky pickle. Come on with it. Go put it up there. Now they want. Nah, I wanna. You wanna buy that now?
How much is it?
I don't wanna. Dang,
Can
man.
you use a little bit of it?
They wanna.
Say you supposed to let
How-
your
how- how I'm supposed to-
let your competitor use
Let me talk to my channel, y'all. Do I let them use the sticky pickle to hook against me, or do I cause this a hard situation. This need to be talked about. I think that's my advantage.
It ain't that hard.
I think that's my advantage, y'all.
They ain't got enough motherfucking time to get you.
Okay, Brian, he said no. Bless Jet, everybody saying no.
Fuck Brian.
Everybody said no.
You know what? We don't need it.
Everybody
You need
said
it more
no.
than we do.
Okay,
You
yeah,
need
yeah, I
it more
do
than we
need.
do.
Look, God, now I ain't never seen no many no's. That's my homeboy though.
We cool. The same person. The same person. We both.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody mad at nobody.
Yeah, ain't nobody
We
man.
all homies. We all got
Yeah.
love. We got love for everybody.
Yeah,
out here.
yeah.
It ain't about all that.
Dang, I ain't
We out
seen.
here to have fun.
Boy, they all saying no. God,
about
dang.
using the
How many people on here, man, saying all them goddamn no's? Oh yeah, then they said bread on the line. Get their ass. Yeah, yeah. Nah, I need it. I don't want. Hey, nah. I'ma use it. I'ma use. Let me see if Ronnie Barnes. Where Ronnie Barnes at? Why we can't do something? I bet if my car was in a line, we'll find Ronnie Barnes. I bet.
Hey, you see if you can get him when you really need him. Why you don't
Yeah.
go get him now?
I don't even see him. He
You know
usually,
where he at, you
he
always
usually
go
find
get Ronnie
me.
Barnes.
If my car was in the
You
line,
always find him. Go find him now.
let me find Ronnie Barnes.
Yeah, like you know.
Ronnie!
There you go.
Let me see if I can find him.
That sounds good. Somebody go over there.
Where Ronnie Barnes at? Hey, you know where Ronnie at, man? Yeah, tell him we need him at the gate. He's got a grudge right here. Yeah.
Red light, no race. Red light, no race. Y'all know that red light ain't no
Look out, we about to run them again in a few minutes, y'all. He cut a good light. He cut a good light. Let me see something. Hey. Let me see something, y'all. It hit 1K earlier. Damn, it say 980. Do we really got that many people in? Mine's still saying 471. The Charger jumped. Nah, he had did a good light though. He cut a real good light. Got a Marauder up here. Oh, it's saying 921. There it go. Mine say, oh dang, so that is my new record. Okay. Look out, make sure y'all hitting that the subscribe button. I only need about 400 more to get to 25,000. Yeah, we need to make sure all y'all subscribe. Here go my Caprice that we finna run. Got the S10 right here. Got Got the S10 right there. It's about to go down. Somebody say only 300 likes and 900 people on the live. Dang. It be sideways. Why y'all sideways like that? Look out. Them TikTok jumping in and out. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what's that? Let's see what the hell that is. I don't know. What, this race? I'll let them talk me into it. I think it's a good race. I think it's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good lineup, but just like...
Where you at? I'm with the BMW. Okay.
Bullshit, goddamn, buddy.
Man, that BMW is stupid. Okay. BMW for the win, y'all. Ah, my little portable charger went there. This thing ain't lasting that long like it used to no more. Hey. Okay, big. When we get back to the car. Hey man, where your extra battery pack at? You ain't bring the secondary?
I think I might have it in the car actually.
Okay, big. I got time. What, I'm on 40%? Yeah. Oh, I got time.
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
Oh, you're good.
Let me see. The likes should match the chat. Heck yeah, especially since a lot of people done rolled in and out. I ain't gonna see running yet. Y'all, hey man, I don't know.
You must have called him out or something.
Hey, bet 20.